New at 5, no doubt you know someone right now feeling the pinch of the quarantine and not able to work. We found one community helping a man who is struggling to just move forward. Channel 2's anchor Wendy joins us now. Well, his house has burned down. Wendy, but he says he is optimistic.
He sure is, considering all the strikes against him right now. English Avenue resident Lloyd Foster told me he has a positive outlook. And that's because despite the tough times, his community has rallied around him and his family, and so he sees brighter days ahead.
Man, the house is on fire, bro!
That was early morning, February 17th, when the Foster Sunset Avenue home since 1952 was destroyed.
The house burnt to the ground, so we lost everything.
Lloyd Foster visited with me remotely from where the home stood for decades. These pictures show the home through the years.
So I haven't had time to sit down and do a pity party.
Days after the fire, the warehouse supervisor for Mercedes-Benz Stadium also found himself without work because of the cancellation of events there.
We function on 40 to 70,000 people being able to congregate in a close environment.
With that on hold because of COVID-19, now the father of 4, who also looks after his 86-year-old mother, Virginia, is focused on rebuilding his home and his life.
I feel blessed because of the help I've been getting from the agencies in the community.
Numerous agencies showed the entire family support. Virginia was grateful for the few family pictures that survived the fire. And to fill the gap in financing part of the new home, the Westside Future Fund's Home on the Westside program stepped in to keep lifelong residents like Virginia, her son Lloyd, and his children in the neighborhood.
If we leave this community, it'll be like the end of her. She's been here forever and ever.
And they're not going anywhere. The Fosters are now living in Washington Park in a home that was sourced by the Westside Future Fund for the family. Lloyd is waiting on permits to demolish what remains on the property and expects their new home will be up and ready for move-in within about a year's time. Live in the newsroom, Wendy, Channel 2 Action News.
Governor Kemp says we will ramp up testing for the coronavirus, but experts warn it may not be